In this video, we're looking at question number 15 on the geometry Arizona Merit Test. Now, this is really a very straightforward question, and I think in any other circumstance, you guys would have no problem solving this whatsoever. The problem that I see on this is that these lines are so small that it's hard to count. In any case, they're saying this figure is dilated to this. You can tell because it goes from A to A prime. Remember, A prime is where it ends. And they're asking you, what is the scale factor that it was multiplied by? In other words, what did I multiply this by, this right here, that distance, to get this distance? What did I multiply this distance to get this? Okay? So the first thing I want to know is how far is it from here to here? Well, if I count, you'll see it's 4. This is 4. Okay? Then if I count this distance, it's 5. If you count carefully, you'll see this. The other thing is, from here to here, if I count that, it's going to be 10. And if I count this is the hard one. To me, this is the hard one. It's 12.5. All right, it's 12.5. They're asking, what is the scale factor? So here's what I can do. Remember, so I'm going to compare these two numbers. But if I say 4 to 10, that's wrong. Do you remember that when I'm doing the scale factor, I have to put the prime number on the top? So it's instead of saying 4 over 10, it's going to say 10 over 4. All right, now if I divide that on a calculator, whatever, 10 divided by 4 is going to equal 2.5. So I know that that scale factor is 2.5. Now, I could leave it at that, but I'm going to make sure. So that's why I counted this and I counted this. So this was 12.5. And this is 5. Again, I have to put the 12.5, the prime number, on top. When I divide that calculator time, it equals 2.5. So I know that this has been dilated by a factor of 2.5. I don't have to worry about the hypotenuse. Okay? So the scale factor is, this is 2.5 times bigger than this little guy.